Hi guys, just another small update. So this time we're looking at platforms and the platform implementation. So you can see in the middle here we have a platform and its extents are indicated in the editor. So we can update these. Now I'll probably write a better editor so there's handles in the scene. But when we change those extents, we see that they change in the scene editor. You change the speed, and you can also indicate what happens in terms of the way the platform is activated. So let's just leave it with activate on start at the moment. Let's hit play. Oops. So it's just a platform, moving platform, pretty much the same underlying implementation as the old solution. We can also edit these. Let's change some of the conditions. So what we're going to say is that when we stand on the platform it's activated, when we leave it it's deactivated. So let's take a look at that. See that we can start and stop it by standing on it. We have another option here where we deactivate when it reaches the extent of its movement. And then if we stand on it again, it'll start moving again. And I'll expand these options and create options that make sense for a specific platform type. Another thing a lot of people have had trouble with is triggers. Now, you can integrate the platform system with Unity triggers, but I figured it might be better if I create my own trigger system that's particularly suited to the platforms. So let's activate this trigger object. So this is just a proximity trigger. Basically, if you appear within the sphere, it will trigger. And we can connect that up to a platform or any game object. And we can indicate what will happen when this trigger triggers. So let's leave it with the trigger action of activate the platform. When we leave the trigger, nothing will happen. Let's go back to our platform and say that it doesn't start automatically. And now hit play. Now when we walk into the trigger, the game object activates. So there's some other options there. For example, we could say when you walk into the trigger, deactivate, but when you leave the trigger, let's deactivate the game object. So the platform was already active, but when we left the trigger, it deactivated the whole object. Yeah, so that's it for now.